Hello and welcome to the channel. I am TheMicahlewis and today I've got a package. Let's get into it. Alright, let's see what this is today. We got this shipping receipt, we don't need that. What does the thing say? E-line, we don't need that. Ooh, GoGun Jörg Sprave. Very interesting. Let's get this out. There it is. That's the package. Let's get rid of that. Alright, this is a GoGun product, it seems, by Jörg Sprave. You got a little sticker there. Let's get rid of that. Alright, let's get rid of that. 1 second. Okay, back. Oops. Definitely don't want to be doing that. There we go. Now, let's get into this thing. Okay, let's see how it opens. Ah, it opens like a door. Should have guessed because of the sticker. Alright, let's do it. Don't need that. There it is. The Jörg Sprave GoGun CO folding ULFBERHT. Ahaha. That is a knife indeed. That's a beautiful knife. Thank you for watching. I am TheMicahlewis, and this is the folding ULFBERHT from Jörg Sprave and GoGun DE. D2 number 88 of 1,800. Very nice. It's a very nice feel in the hand. This is the dull edge. This is the sharp edge. Very nice. Thank you for watching.